This morning I woke up to dog poop being smeared all over the floor by the WYZE robotic vacuum. So I just finished taking this apart and cleaning it all out, but I'm wanting to share with you some helpful information. If this front wheel, if you ever need to clean it, take a small screwdriver and pop it underneath there, and then it pops out, and this axle can come out too. So hopefully that's helpful information. And then just to put it back in there, you push it down in there, and then on this side, push down that axle, and it's good to go. Hopefully this video was helpful. And if your WYZE vacuum has tried to vacuum up dog poop, good luck cleaning it up. Have a great day.